Kids, don't forget, this week is Holiday Club. You're going to have a great week. It's going to be fun. Games with the theme of the Olympics. We are the champions. So listen, have a great week for the Holiday Club.
We speak one language from a heart of worship.
So ladies, this one's for you. Just a reminder to make sure you get your tickets with the early bird rate for our Devoted Conference in October. It's going to be a great day coming together to be encouraged and inspired in our faith, and we want you to be there. So the early bird rate is until the end of July, so get in quick, and then after that tickets are still available at a higher price. So get in with that rate, and we can't wait to see you there. This one's for the young adults here at church. If you're aged 16 to 35, this is for you. If you remember last year, we had a summer barbecue, and it was an amazing cookout in the sun with the meats, with the foods, and with our community together. So if you want to join us for this year's barbecue, then why don't you head to Church Suite, sign up for it, and come along if you want to meet some more people like you in a community. You've got to be 16 to 35. Don't try sneaking in if you're a bit older. I see you people. But you're all invited to the summer barbecue for young adults, and we'd love to see you there. It's happening on Saturday the 3rd of August from 3 p.m. onwards, and we even have an outdoor cinema to watch a movie together at night. So come along, it's going to be a great time to hang out together and to do community together. Okay church, so this is a big notice that in August for our summer holidays, we're not going to be doing evening services here at Excel Church, but what we are going to be doing is some outings in the afternoon after the morning services. So take a note of these. On the 4th of August, we're going to be doing a church picnic at Hickman Park. The week after, on the 11th, we're going to be going to Ironbridge. And after that, on the 18th, we're going to be going to Sandwell Valley Park. And on the last week of that month, we're going to be going to Trentham Gardens on the 25th. So make a note of all those dates. Come along, we'll have a lovely time together on some Sundays, and we'll make the most of summer together.
Hallelujah, hallelujah. Come on, and join the song.
The next Macmillan Coffee Morning is happening on Saturday the 14th of September from 12:30 till 3. So why don't you pop in for this great cause where they raise awareness for cancer. All of our various midweek activities are going to be taking a little break over August for the summer break. Don't worry, we'll be back in September. So if you want to just keep up to date with things, make sure you check out our website and our social media. So there's no Wednesday evening meeting here this week. But listen, make sure that you find out from your Connect groups whether they've got a social going on. And don't forget, there's not going to be any more meetings throughout August in the evenings. Just make a note of that because we're on our summer break. Have a great week, guys.